So the first thing I'm going to do is read my problem. Mary has a collection of 309 stickers. She gives her friend 122 stickers. How many does she have now? First thing I'm going to do to help me understand what the problem is saying or asking me, I'm going to use my cubes strategy. So I know that this C in cubes means to circle the numbers. So I'm going to circle the numbers. So I see 309 right here. And I see 122 right here. So I know I'm going to be doing something with those two numbers. The second part of the cube strategy is to underline the question. Okay, so I know a question usually starts with the word how, and it ends with a question mark. So how many does she have now? Okay, how many does she have now? The next part of my cube strategy is to box the important information. So let me see here. So Mary has a collection of 309 stickers. Okay, I think stickers might be an important word because I think that's what I'm going to be counting. Let's see, she gives. Ooh, gives. Oh, I think gives is an important word because that shows that she is not getting any more stickers. She's giving some stickers away to her friend. So if I know that, I know she's going to have less than 309 stickers because she's giving some away. See, she gives her friend 122 stickers. How many? Okay, I would say those are the two most important information that we're counting stickers, and Mary is giving away stickers. Well, the next part of the cube strategy is eliminate information you don't need. I think everything in my problem is very important, and I need to know that, so I'm not going to X anything out. And the last part of my cube strategy is to solve by showing your work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use base 10 blocks to solve my problem. Now, at home, I know you guys don't have base 10 blocks to use, so I'm going to show you how you can solve it with drawing base 10 blocks. So I know that Mary is starting with 309 stickers, and she is giving away 122. So since she's giving it away, I know that I'm going to subtract. So Mary is starting with 309. She is giving away 122. And then what I have to figure out is how many is she left with. So, with drawing your base 10 blocks, when you draw the 100, so this is a 100 base 10 block. When I'm going to draw it, I'm just going to draw a square like this. And I'm just going to label this up here so you know what it means. When I draw a square, that means it's 100. When I draw this means it's a rod, which is 10. So if you look closely, there are 10 little cubes all together. And my last one is this little guy. So when I draw this little cube, that represents 1. So what I'm going to do is, since she's starting with 309, I'm going to draw 309. So here's 100, right, because I have my big box, 100. 200, it's another 100. 300, all right. Now, and 9. She doesn't have any 10s, so I'm not going to draw any 10s, but I'm going to draw 9 little 1s here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if we look at this, this is 100, 200, 300, 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308, 309. So this is how much Mary is starting with. Now, she is giving, right, it tells us in our problem, she gives her friend 122. So I need to take away 122. So I am going to start with the ones. So she's giving away 2 1s. All right, so I'm going to cross this off. She doesn't have this one anymore. She doesn't have that one anymore. Now, I don't have any 10s. I can't give 20. But what I do know is I can do an equal trade. Now, I know this is 100. And what I can do is I can trade this in for 10 tens. So I'm actually going to X this off, and underneath it, I'm going to draw 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Because remember, these represent 10. So all I did was take this 100 block and turn it into 10 tens. So now I can actually take away my 20. So I've already taken away my 2 from 122. Now I'm going to take away my 20, so I'm going to cross off 1, which is 10, and another one that's 20. Now I still need to take away my 100. Exchanging this, trading this into 10 tens did not take away my 100. All I did was do an equal trade. I turned this 100 into 100. It just looks different. So now I'm going to cross off this 100. So if we look, 122 I took away. Here's the 100, here's the 20, and here's the 2 that I took away. Now all I need to do to figure out she has left is count my cubes that are not crossed off. So I have 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187. So I know that if Mary starts with 309 stickers and she gives 122 away to her friend, she will be left with 187 stickers.